Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melissa. I am the owner and artist here at the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. And today's video is going to be a little bit different because you usually see me painting things, but today's video is all about restoration and cleaning of this beautiful old washstand. This beautiful solid wood Knapp joint washstand can be dated to the early 1900s. I removed the original hardware, cleaned it with white lightning. I also cleaned the interior and exterior of this piece using my white lightning and then rinsing with water. I also used my Big Mama's butter to lubricate the drawer glides because they are wood on wood. This will help them slide in and out easily as well as give it a fresh new smell. If you can believe it, I actually got this piece sight unseen from a local auction for under 10 bucks. I really think the top deterred people from wanting to purchase this item because it was in such yellowed condition. But my thought is like marble might be a little bit like brushing your teeth. So I'm going to use the tools that I have here at my home to try and do the best work that I can do. And this involves sanding it with my Surfprep sander. And you can see how it actually is working on this piece. It's removing all of those yellow stains that were sitting on top of the surface. My Surfprep sander had a couple of different grits of sandpaper. I started off quite rough to get those surface stains gone from the top and then moved down into like a very fine grit to polish that marble. So after I finished, the only part that really didn't come up was a fairly deep surface stain that you can see in brown near the front of the washstand. I am going to grab some bleach and paper towels and try and let it sit, maybe pulling out some of those stains. I know that marble itself as a stone is quite porous. And I thought about like turning the top of the marble so that the stains would be towards the back, but the front of this marble piece is actually beveled and curves around the front. And after that bleach sat for a while, it actually came up pretty darn good. I am quite happy with this little makeover so far. All right, so the next step of my project is to use my Howdy Do Hemp Oil to really condition that old wood. The wood itself is in great condition, but it's quite dull. This Howdy Do Hemp Oil is 100% food safe, so you could use it on like a cutting board or any wooden utensils. I just apply it with my applicator pad, buff it on, wait a couple hours, and then buff it back. This is going to shine up that old wood, also give it some conditioning and also prevent it from any UV damage that you might get from sitting it in a sunshine area. So I continued this process along the entire piece and put it all back together, keeping the original hardware in its condition. I like that kind of aged patina. I didn't want to shine it up too much, so I didn't use gilding wax or anything. It was left in the original condition. You can see in these videos how the joints on the drawers is what gave me the date for this piece. Those little circle and peg joints on the sides of these drawers are called Knapp joints, and they can really let you date a specific time frame because they were stopped manufacturing them around, I think it was 1910, 1915. And then this little flip was finished. No paint, nothing other than a little clean, a little hemp oil, and a little sanding. What do you think of this makeover? I absolutely love it. I know it is simple, but she is classy and ready for another 100 years of life. And I almost forgot, I did paint one thing. Can you see it? It's actually the interior of the drawers. I came in and painted the interior of the drawers and the interior of the cupboard to cover up any existing stains. Thanks for watching my little washstand makeover. I'll see you again next time.